If your dream for this year is to start a food truck, then you know you need a business plan. We've already talked about on this channel what should go into the introduction and what needs to go into the executive summary. And now we're going to move on to market analysis. Now, market analysis is an incredibly important part of your business plan if you are wanting to start a food truck, because it shows to whoever is going to invest into your business that you understand the market, and gives them that confidence that you actually understand how you're going to be able to make a profit. What you need to be able to do is show how your operation is going to not only fit into the market, but serve the market with something that it needs. So the kind of information you're going to be looking to include within your market analysis is going to include things like your target customers and what their needs are. So if you're in an area that has quite a lot of shoppers, that's going to be very different to if you are targeting an area where you have got a lot of businesses. The type of traffic that you're going to have is different. The times of the days where you're going to be working is different. And also you're probably going to be wanting to sell different products to those different target customers. You also want to show that you have an idea of who your competition is in the area. If you don't have any competition at all, that might be a red flag to somebody who is looking to fund your food truck business, that the audience or the target customer that you need isn't actually there. So it's important to explain why you are going to be first to market and why that is a good thing. If there are just a couple of competitors, then you can say how you are going to go ahead and beat the competition. What are you going to do bigger or better that's going to make your food truck stand out, ensure that you turn a profit, and then in turn whoever is investing in your business is going to be able to make their money back confidently and quickly. These are just a few of the ideas that you want to include in your market analysis. We do have a full food truck playbook that you can get your hands on in the description, and we run discounts on that from time to time. So do go and check out if we're currently running a offer on that at the moment. We also put offers over on our community tab here on the channel as well. The next thing we're going to cover is the business strategy. So if you want to check out that video, subscribe to the channel and remember to go over and look at our other videos, because there's more advice for you if you're starting a food truck business this year. We'll see you in the next one.